This is y is equal to f of x, means this is function of x. Now we have to convert this function of x into function of y, that is inverse function. How to do that? Let me show you. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I'm going to explain you solution of the question that you can see on your screen. For better understanding of the solution, do watch this video till end. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe it and share it with your friends. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM me on my Instagram. Without any further delay, let's start solving the given question. Find derivative of function y is equal to f of x. Now this is the given function y is equal to f of x. We have to find the derivative using the derivatives of inverse function. So using derivatives of inverse function, we have to find the derivative of y is equal to f of x. Now how to approach this type of questions, let me show you. First we will note down the given function. Y is equal to under root of 2 minus under root of x. This is y is equal to f of x, means this is function of x. Now we have to convert this function of x into function of y, that is inverse function. How to do that? Let me show you. What I will do, I will take this x on left side. How to do this? First I will square this, then on squaring what I will get, y square is equal to 2 minus under root of x. Then I will shift this root x on one side and 2 minus y square. I will take this y square on another side. So what I will get, under root of x is equal to 2 minus y square. Squaring both the sides, what I will get, under root of x bracket square is equal to 2 minus y square bracket square. This square and square root will get cancelled. Then what I will get, x is equal to 2 minus y square bracket square. Now once I get this inverse function of y, I will differentiate this with respect to y. So differentiate with respect to y. Then what I will get, dx by dy is equal to 2 into derivative of this. I will take derivative of this entire term. So what I will get, 2 into 2 minus y square, and then I will multiply this derivative with derivative of this 2 minus y square term. So derivative of 2 minus y square is, derivative of 2 will become 0 and derivative of minus y square will be minus 2y. On further solving, what I will get, dx by dy is equal to, this 0 minus 2y will be minus 2y, and this minus 2y multiplied by 2 will give me minus 4y into 2 minus y square. So in this way I got the value of dx by dy. So I will convert this y in terms of x. Then what I will get, dx by dy is equal to, now this 2y square I will replace with this, and this y I will replace with this equation. So I will denote this equation as equation 1 and this as equation number 2. And then the values of equation 1 and 2 I will put in this equation number 3. Then what I will get, minus 4 into y. Y is under root of 2 minus under root of x multiplied by this 2 minus y square. Its value is under root of x. Therefore dx by dy is equal to minus 4 under root of x, inside the bracket 2 minus under root of x. In this way we have find out the value of dx by dy. Now using theorem of derivatives of inverse function, what I will get, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. So value of 1 upon dx by dy is minus 4 under root of x into 2 minus root x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 4 under root of x inside the bracket 2 minus root x. So this is the required answer for this given question. I hope you have understood each and every step. The important steps in this solution are converting function of x into its inverse function of y. Once we convert this, we find the value of dx by dy. And then by using theorem of derivatives of inverse function, we find the value of dy by dx, which is equal to minus 1 upon 4 under root of x inside the bracket 2 minus under root of x, which is our required answer. I hope you have understood the solution of this question. If that is the case, then give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or you can DM it on my Instagram handle. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.